Hello guys, my name is King Reaper and welcome back to some more Tomb Raider. Oh yeah, I'm recording again. I'm a menace to nature! Yay! Oh, full of menace, okay. I remember last time, we were able to get the deer, yeah, I just forgot where it was. And since I had to restart, I had to do this. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this thing here.
It happened again. Private Kosuke. He was on gate duty last night. No one heard anything. And this morning, they found his helmet. Nothing else. No tracks of his bleeding, no blood, no shell casings. Nothing. The others are talking about Chinese partisans. Maybe even American GIs. Damn fools. They have no idea what's happening here. It is the Oni who stalk us. The restless, evil spirits.
Hi guys, sorry about that little quick cut. Something happened, and, I already got it. Okay. My PS4 glitched out on me. Right as soon as I paused it, my PS4 decided to become an a-hole and decide to inject the disc on me. I am an embarrassment to nature. Oh, hey big guy. I can kill you twice now. Miss. I am a disgrace to nature. It's not moving. Guys, so many deers. Yeah, I can't hit them. Because I suck. Okay. Oh, more quivers. Okay, good. Okay. I'm annoyed. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, that was close. Hi. Dang, wait, what the? God. I just saw that deer just ragdoll. Hey, big guy.
Sorry.
Hey. It's okay. I'm gonna end your misery. I'm a disgrace to nature. Survival instincts, yeah. Kinda feel bad for Laura though. Let me fix my camera really quick. It's kind of edgy a bit. So
Right, back to camp.
this should wait.
Fancy gadget to tell you where you are. If you can learn to read the land and the stars, you'll always be able to find your way home.
Keep going. For some reason, I just barely noticed that the camera sometimes swerves. I think to make it more realistic, like a cameraman. So yeah, I think that's how it works. Okay, that way. I remember there was like an achievement for not using survival instincts, but hey, I don't care. Skills. Spend skill points in the skills menu to upgrade your abilities. I know that though. Animal instincts. Hard to find animals and food sources. These two would be useful, and this would be useful because I can find stuff like animals, but I also want to be able to get more salvage so I can get more stuff. You know what? Never mind. I'll get the animal instincts. There. I'm gonna have a killer instinct. You guys get that reference?
This is Conrad Roth, captain of the Endurance. We are shipwrecked on an island inside the Dragon's Triangle.
Roth,
Lara,
you're alive!
easy. Are you okay? What happened?
I remember the beach, and then it went black and I woke up in a cave. There was this crazy man Roth and a dead body.
Oh, God. Where
Voice
are you
acting
now,
spot
Lara?
on.
Are you safe?
It was so horrible. It's all my fault. This is all my fault.
Lara, listen to me. I sent an SOS from the Endurance before I abandoned her. Hopefully someone caught it. I've spoken to the others. We're regrouping at my location.
Please come and get me.
I have to stay here. You can do this, Lara. Remember when we climbed Snowden? You said the key was knowing that all you've got to do is just keep moving.
Dang it.
Remember everything I've taught you, Lara. You're ready for this. And keep your radio on.
Okay.
I was getting the remote, it felt too low. Alright. Singing. I hear that.
Music.
Yeah, I hear it too, Laura. See what it is. Okay. Well, I'm a disgrace to nature. I'm gonna kill more animals because I feel like it. Alright, let's see, is there any more? I'm gonna kill one more at least. Come on.
Hello?
Birds and
Hello?
quivers.
Is someone there?
I remember you can upgrade your quivers. Yeah, I remember that. My quivers. Like, you can hold more if you get more Salvatore abilities.
This could be a way through.
I have no choice. I have no choice now. One time, I thought this was like a glitch or something, so I just kept on doing this, and look what it gives you. It gives you XP for doing this. No, I'm not kidding. At one time, it just gave me XP for doing that. Okay. But it's hard, so it's not gonna give that easy.
What are these markings?
Okay. Markings of what? Ah, great. No, my phone's falling. Okay. Keep going.
What am I doing?
And one of my friends says he hates feminists. Alright.
Oh God, this is insane.
Oh yeah, now I remember. This is the part where I almost acted like Outlast. Let's see.
This traditional no mask represents a hateful woman in the guise of a demon.
How did you look at that? How crazy men see women.
There are traces of white paint on the inside. Whoever used this mask was of noble birth.
Oh yeah, now I remember. I remember like in Japan they had this thing where they put like, I forgot what they were called. All I knew is that they were like women that dressed in what is it? Oh yeah. Kimonos, yeah, kimonos. And so they just put like white paint on them, so yeah, that's a good reference. Okay. Bam. XP.
Oh no.
Add Chris Walker into this and you're gonna get Outlast. With a woman. Nice. Try axe. That looks more like a pickaxe than... Oh, okay. Button mashing skill. 0.5 seconds, I think. Alright, let's keep going. Well, it takes me at least a second because of how fast the button mash. That's some survival skills. Now I can't wait to watch the movie. Okay, right here. Going up. Ah, great. Screwed up the camera. I'm trying to fix it, see which one works good. I can't find it. Okay, because I'm using my weight. Okay. Oh.
Hold on. Sam? Did you get that?
Got it.
We have a fire. Look for the smoke.
We're on our way.
Haha. Remember this part I had like a hard time with it once.
Laura, you made it.
I love the
Sam.
cameraman.
Oh my goodness.
Good.
Surprise. It's okay. He's one of us.
Sorry if I startled you. This place would make anyone a little jumpy. We just spoke to your crew. They're on their way.
Look, he banished my friend.
Nice
it was
man.
the least I could
I don't
do.
trust him.
My manners. I'm sorry, I'm Matthias.
I don't trust you. Look at your
A
keychain.
teacher by trade.
Yeah, I completely forgot who the final boss was. All I know is that
Not
this
really
guy's a
cut
Mulder.
out for island life, I'm afraid.
Sweetie, you look exhausted. Sit down. Yeah,
Sam here was just telling me about the Sun Queen.
right. Himiko.
Can you tell me more? I'm intrigued.
Well, believe it or not, a couple thousand years ago, Queen Himiko pretty much ran things in Japan. She loves telling this story. Himiko was beautiful, enigmatic, but also ruthless and powerful.
Tyrant, then.
Legend says she had shamanistic powers. And this
Oh, it's a cult.
is where she loses me.
Well, there's
a
always
cult.
some truth to
Cults.
this.
She commanded an army of samurai warriors, her magnificent storm guard. They rode the very winds of the battle, laying waste to all who opposed them. They say the sun rose at Himiko's command, and she ruled everything its rays touched, from the mountains to the sea and beyond.
But what happened to her?
Sam? Matthias? Sam! Sam! Shit!
Ha ha ha. Great. Bear trap. Okay, first of all, if this island was uninhabited, then why is there a bear trap? It's a rusty one, I know, but at least who would place it conveniently right there? Get my phone call. Pause. Really quick, I'll just do. Okay. Phone adjust, please. Okay. Let's see. Where is this dog gonna aim at? There. Gotcha. Hey, where are you? I see you. Headshot. Come on. I just love the way they ragdoll around. It's hilarious.
Let go.
Give me one of those. Give me one of those.
You little bird.
I'm so glad you're here. Is Sam with you?
She was with you.
She was here with that man, Matthias. But I passed out. When I woke up, they were both gone.
You got to shoot Nico once and all.
We need to find them.
Wait. What about Raw? Okay, let's split up. One of us go with Laura and meet up with Raw. The rest of us should fan out and look for Sam.
I'll go with her. No. Let me.
You know how to use one of these?
It's been a while. It's all coming back to me.
Get to Rob. We'll find Sam and this Matthias guy.
You gonna be okay?
Yes, I just need to rest for a few minutes.
Again, another game with the voice actor for Sasuke. I forgot his name again.
You sit here. I'll check up ahead.
Okay.
Give me one of those. Sure, bow and arrow is good and all, but it's not as powerful since his bow's sucky.
Not so bad.
Here we go. burn this. Just so you know, guys, you're gonna want to keep putting these things on fire. They give you ammo, or actually salvage. Sometimes, rarely upgrade parts. So that's gonna be extremely useful. Let's see here.
I can't believe we're actually on an expedition to find the homeland of my ancestors. Ever since I told Lara the story of Himiko years ago, she's been hunting for its location. Never really gave it much thought. That any of this could actually be real history. My grandmother used to tell me the story like it was a memory. Many thousands of years ago, Queen Himiko ruled the land of Yamatai. The sun rose at Himiko's command, and she ruled everything its rays touched, from the mountains to the sea and beyond. But one day, Yamatai simply disappeared without a trace. Forgotten in time.
Another, cause that cult of a queen or a tyrant of a queen should rethink her leading skills, cause turns out, spoiler alert, she's the one that brought us here. Yeah, she brought us to this psychotic place of a land. And I'm a king, so I should know how it feels to not be a tyrant. So let's go. Yay! Oh wait, don't I have a skill point? Here, let's see. Nope, no skills. Great. Great. I'm gone. I'm leaving. It's like, it looks like someone that was constipated.
I don't like the sound of that.
Just head up the hill. Look for the large gate.
I'm a rebel to nature. Dang it, I meant. Oh wait. Oh, this is awesome. A cherry tree. Sweet. Easter egg right here. Kinda cool, isn't it?
Another shrine.
Cult. I knew it.
Who are they worshipping?
Himiko. That's pretty obvious, right? Burn this. I already got 50 good. Yeah, you're gonna need 50 salvage for this part, so keep looting. Oh. Rebel of nature. I hate nature. Just kidding. I don't really hate it, but like, this game's making me want to. I just love the way the camera moves when you run. Oh god. Alright, this game is on hard. Oh god. Get off of me. Bam. Dead.
Could have warned me about the wolves, Doctor.
Another. Okay. Dead wolf. Still looting. Okay. These cherry trees actually looks amazing for a game made in 2013 and remastered on PS4 in 2014. Oh wait. Forgot. Let's keep going. I need a better camera.
These are fascinating.
I've seen these before. Oh, they must be ritualistic.
This female image is particularly interesting.
Looks like it was made quite recently.
By those islanders, no doubt. Judging by the wrecks out there, they were once like us. Survivors. Remarkable.
Yes, well, let's hope we don't become murderers, too.
See if you can work the other one.
Dang.
The handle's missing.
How is that wound of yours?
Oh, shit. It won't take the force. I'll have to find something sturdy to turn it with.
Must be something around here we can use. Incredible.
Let's see if I can fix this axe.
Yeah, I got it. Okay. Just in case. 50 salvage. Great. I feel like heading back, but yeah, I'm gonna head back to the thing. Ow! Oh my god, that was close. Yeah. Loot and shoot. I stopped you mid attack. Yay! I'm a god. I'm a king. Yeah. Oh, salvage. Loot. I must loot everything I see. Let me loot. I must loot everything I see. Everything I see, I must loot. Loot. Must loot. I love the way the camera moves. It feels like Outlast, but in 3D. Like your character was in 3D model. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I know where this is. I know where this is. I know what this is.
Laura's having a crisis of confidence. So, for her sake, I'll keep up a happy face. But something about this expedition has been making me nervous. I have butterflies in my stomach. As we sail closer to the Dragon's Triangle, I'm starting to feel nauseous.
If you guys can read it, hopefully, then you can be able to see. Because I'm looking at my camera right now and it does not look good.
What the hell is wrong with me? I should be excited. This trip is going to be awesome. I just need to shake off this feeling. Maybe I can convince Laura to take a break and have a drink with me.
I have a lot of time. I just want to shoot something already. I already did. I shot wolves. That's not good enough. Yeah, I'm gonna speed run this. I'll be right back. I know soon you'll see me just cranking the thing. Alright, be right back. By the way, this is a secret tomb. Tomb solved, boys! Tomb rated.
Ready.
Alright, back in the game. I'm spinning like crazy. There we go. This sucks that it would take two people to open. It sucks.
That female figure on the gate. Given the age of the symbols, it could be the Sun Queen.
Himiko, are you sure you're not channeling Sam, Dr. Whitman?
There's no doubt Himiko had power. Some say shamanistic, elemental.
A woman wields that much power, sooner or later it gets called witchcraft.
Yeah, put that on.
We shouldn't discount anything, even what may seem to us irrational. We still have much to learn about the world.
You sound like my father.
It could be one hell of a story, Laura.
He actually has a point.
Tell it.
He actually has a point. We do not know a lot about the world. He has a point. So heck, this might be real if we're not careful.
Incredible. It is Himiko.
But look, the bowl, the candles. Why is she still being worshipped?
This island, it must have once been part of Yamatai. You were right, Laura.
The Lost Kingdom.
It's like finding Atlantis.
But this is real, Dr. Whitman. We're not standing on a myth.
We're standing on a gold mine.
Come, quickly. Your friends are hurt.
Yes, probably by them.
Get back.
I can't be trusted.
Ha ha
You
ha.
still have a gun.
You have a gun, be a sharpshooter.
I don't want any trouble.
No.
We'll come.
No.
But I
You
insist
suck.
that afterwards you take us to whoever's in charge.
What are you doing?
Be quiet.
No.
I'm handling this.
No.
You suck.
Just go along with them, Laura. Do whatever they say.
Oh, it's you. Russians. You can never trust them. No offense to anyone who's Russian watching this.
Who are you people? What's wrong with us?
Laura!
You think you're in trouble, kill them.
Don't hurt them,
Russians.
please.
Silence, А ты ведь хорошенькая, да? Напоминаешь мою сестру.
If anyone who speaks Russian, translate this, please. You suck.
Run them up!
I'm gonna do a preview of the next video, and it's gonna involve me.
You fucking move.
I'm gonna do a preview of the next video, alright, after this one's done recording. So anyways, hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. But first I'll try to get past this part and get to a good cover.
Don't make a sound.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Alright. I think I'm gonna end it off here. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe and comment. I'll talk to you guys later, and 5, 4, 3, 2,